Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the lesson number 22 of grade 3 EVS, that is story of a pot. If you want the other lesson explanation from lesson number 1 to lesson number 21, you can see the playlist of my channel, you can easily get from there. And if you want the further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. So in this lesson we will explain about the human beings, how they prepare different things to fulfill their basic needs with the example of pot and wheel, and we will discuss the changes that have taken place over the years in the use of pot, and we will prepare models of pot using clay. So children, you know that many things are essential in our daily life, right? So let us write here any 5 essential things which are required in our daily life. So first, food, air, water, clothes and light we will write. Okay, as you know, you need food every day, right? How it is prepared in your house? So what things are required to prepare food items, you have to write here. So to prepare the food, your mama will use pan, cooker, spoon, vessels, ladle, right? Yes, so you can write whichever things are required to prepare food, you have to write here. Next, you already know that about the use of various types of utensils to prepare food items and to store water in house. Generally, what are the materials used to make the utensils? To make the utensils, we need steel, mud, copper, aluminium, wood. By using these materials, there will be preparation of utensils. Okay, now do you know the material which were used to make utensils in olden days? In olden days, people used to collect the mud, the soft clay, and then after they used to mix that soft clay to make it soft, and then after on the rolling wheel they used to make the different shapes of the mud, and then after they will give shape to those pots which are used by preparing the clay. Okay, what materials are used to make pots, we have to write here. So what materials are used to make pots? Clay, sponge, water and rolling wheel is required to make pot, and of course mud is required. Now why do we use pots, children? Do you know why do we use pots? We use pots to store water, and we use pots to store the food items, and we use pots in the villages. Pots are used to cook the food also. So pots are used for different uses, and if you know the uses, you have to write here. Go to the place of making pots, see the methods of making pots. How does they make the pot? They will collect the clay, and with the help of the clay they make the pots. Okay, now here, ಥಿಗರಿ ತಿರುಗುವ ಗರಗರ, ಮಡಕೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಭರಭರ. Who am I, the wheel revolve round and round, a pot is shaped in every round. Who I am? It is a rolling wheel. Okay, now are pots used in your home? What are they used for? Right here, children. If you use the clay pots in your home, you have to write for what thing you use the pots. Okay, so if you use to store water, if you use to cook food, or if you use to store food items, or if you use that small pots to play, whatever you do, you have to write here. Now look at the pictures given below. Do you find any differences? Write the differences. Tell the differences. So see here in olden days, pots are used to prepare food, but nowadays on the gas we use the vessels of steel, copper, aluminium, etc. to prepare food. In earlier days, water is stored in the mud pot. Nowadays it is stored in the filter. In earlier days, people used to store food in pots, and nowadays they use vessels to store the food. Then here you can see a pot maker is selling the pots. Nowadays there will be no selling of pots, there will be selling of utensils. And before, pots were used for decoration, and they used for keeping the flowers. Nowadays vases are used instead of pots. Glass vases are used to decorate the house. Here same activity is there. You have to ask the elder at home and locality about the things that were used in the past, and observe the things that are being used now in your house. As we have read in the previous page, earlier days people used to use the pots, but nowadays they will not use the pots much. Especially in the cities they will not use the pots. In villages sometimes the people use, but in the cities they will not use. So according to you, where do you live? You live in a village or you live in a city? You have to ask your elders, you have to ask your local members, and you have to write what changes you have noticed between then and now. Now tell me, why have these changes taken place? These changes have taken place. Why have these changes taken place? These changes have taken place because of the passing days. See, as the days pass, the technology is growing more, and due to the technology, the old things which we were using before are replaced into a new and elegant things. Okay, so if there are potters in your place or locality, go there and see the method of making pots. Observe the colors, shape and sizes of the pots. Discuss with the potter about the usefulness of the pot. Okay, so all these things you need to do by yourself. Make a small pot with the clay. You can also make a pot by using clay, and you can put water or grains in them and keep them outside for the birds, and learn to make clay models of objects like fish, fruit, vase, small pots of collecting money, etc., and paint them. So this is all about your lesson, the story of pot. As I have told you, if you want the further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.